Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and one of the most important steps in any skincare routine is applying sunscreen because you want to make sure that all that hard work that you have put into having a nice skin pays off by protecting yourself from the sun. And I absolutely love this sunscreen by the brand Pipette. It is a mineral sunscreen with SPF 50 and it is also fragrance free. So this sunscreen has a lot of protection and at the same time the fact that it doesn't have any fragrance is something that I really like because I personally prefer when my skincare products do not have any added fragrance in them. Also, its ingredient list is one that I feel very comfortable with applying on my skin. As this is a mineral sunscreen, the way it works is by creating a barrier on the skin that blocks the UV rays from the sun. As it is a mineral sunscreen, sometimes it could probably leave a white cast. So what I do is, first of all, I shake this sunscreen very well because its texture is a little bit more liquid than other sunscreens. And then I use a pea-sized drop of the sunscreen and I spread it all over my face as well as I can. And that way I am able to avoid showing a white cast. And at the same time, I am getting the many benefits of this amazing sunscreen by Pipette. And that is my point of view.